Introducing the unique, colorful, and distinguishable Nothing Phone 2. A phone that never disappoints its users and always comes with something extraordinary. Starting off from the smartphone's dynamic hardware specifications, the phone comes with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Considering the fact that apart from the processor, the second most important thing in a smartphone is its display, and Nothing Phone 2 didn't disappoint us in this regard too, as the phone comes with a massive 6.8 inches QHD dynamic AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. When it comes to the battery, the Nothing Phone 2 still provides an amazing value as the phone is powered by a long-lasting 6000 mAh battery. Talking about the camera, the Nothing Phone 2 stands unparalleled in this aspect too, as the phone will have a triple camera setup of 50 megapixels plus 50 megapixels plus 12 megapixel cameras. On the bottom, we get to see a USB Type-C port. The Nothing Phone 2 has 12 GB of RAM and 256/512 GB of ROM. Nothing Phone 2 has a transparent glass back with luminous RGB lightings and an aluminium frame on the sides. Lastly, talking about the price, Nothing Phone 2 is listed at a price of $479 for the base model and $499 for the 12 GB RAM/512 GB ROM variant. And the release date is expected to be on July 11, 2023. So that was it for today. We hope that you liked our video. Make sure to leave a comment about your opinion on the phone. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for daily tech-related videos.